Hello everyone, welcome to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will be making with you artichoke with meat. Artichoke are very amazing vegetable. They are quite delicious, but a pain to clean. Today I will show you how to clean it. Before starting the recipe, I prepared my lamb before by cooking it with onion, black pepper and cinnamon, like I did before in my video in cardoon recipe. To clean your artichoke, you have to take those leaves with a knife, gently. Don't go deep, because we want to keep the artichoke like a flower. In your halfway cleaning your artichoke, now it's time to turn in our knife and take out the center. Turn your knife and take out the choke that are in the center gently, and that's it. Keep your artichoke in a water with lemon juice to prevent them from oxidation and turning their color to brown. Continue this way with all your artichoke. Now it's time to fill up our artichoke with a ground beef. I did prepare my ground beef and I season it with 1 egg, parsley, black pepper, salt and cinnamon. I mixed everything well. I cooked the artichoke in the same sauce of the lamb to give it a good taste. Fill up your artichoke with the ground beef and squeeze your ground beef well, so you protect him to getting out of it. Whenever you fill up your artichoke, you have leftover meat. You can make meatballs with it. Cook your artichoke and your meatballs for about 45 minutes. Peas go well with this dish, so I added some of it. After 45 minutes, you have to check your artichoke. Whenever your artichoke is well cooked, now it's time to serve your dish. Decorate and arrange your plate however you like. I put 2 pieces of lamb in the middle, and I put the meatballs and artichoke over it. Sprinkle some parsley and squeeze some lemon on the top of your dish to give it more taste. I hope you did like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!